How's it going, you guys? Steven from Break Free Homestead. Today I'm going to show you how we are finishing this sill on this basement finishing. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a pine board. You can use a nicer board. It gets crazy as you go up there in boards and prices, and we have a decent little length here. It'll be fine. We're just going to do a tongue oil on this. It's going to look super nice, but straight to it. I'm trying to do this shoe mold up here, so we're going to get this side in first. So we just measured that there, and we're going to go ahead and put this up. This is going to be flush with the wall. So we're going to have to scribe it, and then we'll flip it over, and then the unfinished or the cut edge will be on the wall side. So I could see we were sticking out, having a little bit of a gap down here. This protrudes out a little bit down here. So what I did is I went ahead and just trimmed a little bit off, little curve there. And the gap looks pretty darn nice. If you need to caulk it, it'll be perfect. So what we're gonna do now is just come over here with a pencil and scribe all the way down, get a nice clean line. All right, so I just hit this vertical trim piece that's flush with the drywall with this router. Gives it a nice little curved piece. Went ahead and got this first piece in, short piece with the 45 at the corner. And then what I did is I went ahead and routed the edge before we put it in here, because you're not gonna be able to do that once it's all up to it. Your router is hitting it. So we have that. I have this to route. Right up against this, it's not a huge issue if you're gonna caulk it. So I'm not gonna scribe this. It went almost all the way down there, just a freaking 10-inch piece. I don't know why they didn't have 16-foot boards when I was there, but I just went ahead and tacked it in here with some 18-gauge nails, 2 every 16 inches or so. And I'm gonna cut this last piece, place it, and then I'll just route the rest of it. Obviously, route that piece before you put it in there. Can't go up against a wall. All right, guys, not a perfect gap over here, and the boards are a little bit cupped a little bit differently. So use a little bit of wood filler here. What I'm gonna do is sand this down real fast, and then I will put some tongue oil on it. And then we're gonna go ahead and caulk the back line against the wall. It's gonna be paintable anyway, so that's gonna be nice. All right, just sand this thing down with 240. Feels pretty darn nice. Let's get some tongue oil on this bad boy.